friends. Today I'm going to talk about some dinosaur facts. I have a little cone, so please don't. When I do this, just don't do that. So today I'm going to talk about dinosaur facts. So dinosaur facts. Dinosaurs lived about until 65 million years ago, and the dinosaur time period started from the Mesozoic era about 250 million years ago, and there were three time periods that time. First was the Triassic, that was 250 million years, then the Jurassic, then the Cretaceous. So I'm going to show now some dinosaurs of herbivores and carnivores. So this is a carnivorous dinosaur, a velociraptor, and this is a Styracosaurus. It's a herbivorous. And now I'm going to show you the horned dinosaurs. Horned dinosaurs are dinosaurs that have horns less than 17. So this is a Triceratops, it has about 3 horns. And this is a Pentaceratops that has about 5 horns. Now, spiky dinosaurs. Don't get confused between the Triceratops and the spiky dinosaurs, because Triceratops has horns on its face, and all the horned dinosaurs have horns on their face. These are spikes on the back. So this is an Amargasaurus that has spikes on its back, 2 rows, and this is a Carnotaurus, a meat eater that has 5 rows of spikes, but very tiny, as shown as about 3 inches. Now the plated dinosaurs. Plated dinosaurs are shaped like some plates, like a Stegosaurus, and they have spikes on the edge. Now we are going to talk about the hooting dinosaurs that go whoo, and this is a Parasaurolophus, one of them. Parasaurolophus. Now the long-necked dinosaurs. Long-necked dinosaurs are the biggest dinosaurs ever. Amargasaurus is one of them, but more shorter. But this is a Brontosaurus, a bigger one. There are more, just I don't have, so I'm showing this. Now we are going to talk about spine dinosaurs. Spine dinosaurs are dinosaurs that have sails on their back. Sails are semicircle shape, and they have spikes on the semicircle. This is one of them, Dimetrodon. It lived more earlier. I don't have any other Spinosaurus or any other type. I didn't have enough time, so I'm just showing this. I'm just rolling it around so you can see all of its parts. And these are some prehistoric books of dinosaurs. See this? And these dinosaur books these dinosaur books are the most great dinosaur books. These are one of the sea creatures that they live. So now this is all the sea reptiles I can see, and those are not these are not dinosaurs, these are reptiles. Sea reptiles, sky reptiles. So now these are some kind of scaly fish, and these are deadly hunters. Some sea creatures were expert hunters who catch, chased, and ate other animals. The animal they the animals they ate had hard shells, scales, and spikes to protect themselves from the hunters. Sea scorpions were some of the deadly hunters. They had sharp pincers and for catching animals. By 545 million years ago, the oceans were swarming with hundreds of amazing creatures. Some of these creatures looked like nothing like any animal alive today. This creature called Opebina was one of the hunters. It had about 5 eyes. It had about caterpillar body, flower-shaped tail, and about booster jet wings. But it didn't fly. And from its mouth there was a big claw that catched. Now this is a small kind of worm that has spikes that's shaped like a Christmas tree. No, like Christmas tree, but kind of like a V. This is this is some kind of squid called Serenius. I don't know the name, but I know how it looks. It's like a half octopus and a long shell on its back. And sea scorpions had at least about 2 pinchers, 2 kinds of small wings, one big club on its tail, and about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs, just like a spider. Then all the fish first all the fish has to eat gulp, and then the others develop teeth so they could hunt other fish. For today. So, bye friends.